Hi everyone, Tom from xray.tech here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create templates in Notion. Templates let you quickly recreate documents or content blocks that you use frequently, like meeting notes, tasks, and reports. I'll show you 3 different kinds of templates that you can build in Notion: template buttons, template pages, and public templates. If you'd like to learn more about Notion or no-code and low-code tools in your everyday workflows, be sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First, let's take a look at template buttons. With template buttons, you can duplicate a predefined set of content blocks with a single click. Template buttons have to be created within a specific page and will always be found within that page. However, duplicating the page will also duplicate the template button. To get started, open up the page that you want to add your template button to. Type /template and select the option that reads Template Button. This will immediately create a new template button titled Add a New To Do, and will open up a module where you can configure and customize your template. In our example, we'll configure a simple template for meeting notes. The title will be Add New Meeting Notes. Then we'll convert this checkbox into an H1. We'll add text that says Meeting Notes on @today. Under that, we'll start a bulleted list with a bit of placeholder text. Once you've finished editing the contents of your template button, just click on Close. Don't worry, you can always edit the button later if you'd like to make changes. Now you can click on your button whenever you'd like to generate a set of blocks on this page. When we click on the button, it generates the H1 and bulleted list. To edit the template, just mouse over it and click on the gear to open up the configuration menu again. If you want to create templates as separate pages, then you can create your template within a database instead. To save time later, make a page with all of the content you'd like to include in your template. Copy all of that content into your clipboard. Then create a new database where you want to store your template, or choose an existing database. Create a new record in your chosen database. Open the record as a page. You should see an option to create a template. Click on that to create your new template. Now, you can paste all of the content that you copied earlier into this template. Alternatively, you can just create all the content within this template instead. Once you've finished, be sure to give your template a title. Then click the Back button to return to the database. Whenever you create a new item in this database, you'll now have the option to use the template that you just created. You can also create additional templates within the same database to give yourself some options. Just bear in mind that all of these templates will only be accessible within the database that you created them in. Both of these options we've discussed so far are great for creating templates for you and your team. But what if you want to share a template publicly? For instance, you may have seen Notion templates from creators like Thomas Frank, or you might have browsed Notion's gallery and perused all of the helpful templates there. If you want other users in other workspaces to be able to copy your page as a template, you just need to set the sharing settings appropriately. First, prepare your template as a page. Make sure you're comfortable with publicly sharing all of the content that you've added to the page. Once your page is all set, click on Share in the top right. Turn on Share to Web, and make sure the option Allow Duplicate as Template is checked. Now, anyone with the link can just click on Duplicate to add your page to their Notion workspace. This is a great way to share a Notion template with your audience, clients, or even customers. Keep in mind, if your page contains references to other databases or pages from your workspace, these blocks may not be shown. That's because the referenced databases and pages are not shared to web. As such, only blocks created within the page itself will be publicly visible. For instance, on this page, we have an inline database that we created on the page. And we also have a reference to a database from another page. When we make it public, only the inline database is visible. Notion is a great app for taking notes, drafting documents, and keeping track of your company's critical information. Its versatile blocks let you arrange and display your content in nearly any format you can think of, but building a document from scratch every time can be a bit tedious. With templates, you and your team can create layouts that you need instantly and get right back to work. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more productivity and workflow automation tips every single week. If you'd like to learn more about no-code and low-code automation, follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook, and you can find all of our content on our website at xray.tech. You can check all those links in the description down below, and as always, don't forget, keep the flow.